Big up Crosses TV.
I be a crosses you have over your master.
It is them because most time when them go missing, you know what I mean? Look at Jasmine Dean, for instance. Jasmine missing without a trace, nothing. She just can't be found, nothing come out of Jasmine case because I don't know. I don't know.
Stop, give on.
Hey, seriously?
I told me DJ. Sorry.
You know go like man no born with front, you know? Man born with front and then do what they want to do with it. So we were born with our front. We're supposed to can do what we want to do with front. Yeah, our front, anything we want to do with the front.
Sell you anything. Bomba party car, man. Tell you.
Which car?
Do I care?
You see one like it?
Yeah, look why I eat a plate. Pretty.
So the bus man come like a batty boy, you know? I know. Why mama? 5 grand ticket that no? That me I tell you, know. So when them bus when they on the road they crazy, but as me I say, me hate it. Me know I get it. Man dead every day, man dead all the time. Every day, somebody's son dead. Every day. You know what I mean? Females then dead in a season, but it's so sad. Every time one of them go missing without a trace, or every time one of them dead, it's so sad, it's so heartbreaking. So I don't know. Something needs to be done, and ladies, you must have one person where you know would have bring your secret to the grave. If I even one, just one. But how do you say him so to a friend stay these days? I don't know. If you even find a good friend, that really kind of hard. You must have somebody where you can trust. If I even one person, me not trust people, but me have one person where me can trust. Just one. Isn't it? Just one. But if you're not gonna wait, you can send a friendly location, send him a man picture what you go to it, send every information in case you guys go missing. You know, me know say sometimes we as women, sometimes we as women, we just want to do what we feel like to do, and we not like tell people with business or tell them say, oh, we're going with Tom, Dick and Harry. We don't want to tell nobody with business. We just want to keep with business. We don't listen to Gyal, yeah? We don't listen to Gyal. Yeah. We just want to keep with business to ourselves. We don't want to tell nobody say we are going to go this to go hang out with John Brown or Tom Brown. We don't want to do that. We just want to hide and go about business and come back safe. Because we don't want nobody know.
It's a secret.
Yes, it is a secret.
Cheating.
It's that. Don't listen to Gyal. She's not cheating.
All the thing on the net, when a person hiding, no safe.
It's wrong, but then we do stuff what we're not supposed to do. You guys do stuff what we're not supposed to do all the time. So when I say 6 and 1/2 dozen other, same thing anyway you take it. Yeah, it's the same thing. So I'm not Gyal, come on from live, no man.
Yeah, come on.
Low badness alone, man. Let you think.
Gyal
just step up live, invade my life. Don't invade my life.
Invader dead.
But me know say sometimes we want to do things, we want to do what we feel like to do. You understand me? And this is a serious matter. We must have somebody where we can confide in her. And it is very important if we're going to make a move, we let that friend or that family member, whoever we trust, get all, see there? Seal. Get all information that's needed. Oh, the rascal, me get what this up here so now.
Can't walk out there, just worry.
Me can't want it struggling. Oh, you get it up there, Rush?
Talk,
I want to put it up.
you have to pull it.
Oh, you pull it?
Pull the bottom part.
Me pull it long time.
Push it hard up on it now and then. Push, press it down. Yeah, push it. You push it on?
Blood clot, not tea.
Push it hard and then press it. Yeah.
Yes, as me I said, sometimes we just want, go where I go and come back and nobody even know say where he gone.
Yeah, give to.
It's a secret. It is a secret, so we don't want nobody know. If we want somebody know what I tell people we are about, dog. I want the juice. Yo, buy a juice, man.
What do you want?
So buy water, I'm thirsty. You see me? We know we just want to make moves and do what we want to do on our own, and we don't want to tell nobody nothing, but it's important to share them information they with close people in case we go missing or anything happen to us. Them can actually say, yo, the last person she did their own a John Brown, you know, or Mr. White or Mr. Black. You understand me? You understand? So but me not no friend. So if me a squeechy go out on a date, me don't know that I go work. Me don't know how it would work. But just have to pray to come back alive because me not no friend. Me not nobody to confide, you know. Me have one person who me tell everything, and that's one person, just one. But sometimes me I go make some move and me not make and me know me not make, me not go and tell them, and that's the thing again. You understand? Yeah, that is it. It's not like we go and tell them everything, you know, share certain things, you know, no matter how close the person is. No. Yeah. That is it. Then again, ladies, stay safe. It's a cold world we're living in, man. Them not respect for the woman, them just kill them so. It's important to be safe.
Can I play what episode?
Okay,